children. How are you all? You all are fine? Yes. Have a beautiful day. Look at the sunflower, how bright it is. Just like that, you are also bright now. Shall we pass on to the lesson? What subject we are going to learn today? Yes, we can see. Today we are going to learn the subject social science. We are going to learn the subject social science. Today we are going to do lesson 2 book exercise. Lesson 2 book exercise. What's the name of the lesson 2? Lesson 2. What's the name of the lesson? The clothes, clothes, wear, wear, the clothes we wear. What's the name of the lesson? The clothes we wear. Now, before moving on to the book exercise, we will revise it now. Okay, children? Now, look at here. Clothes keep us safe from. How do clothes keep us safe? From what are the things the clothes keep us safe from? From the hot sun, from the cold wind, the rain, the insect bite, and dirt and dust. So what are the things? The hot sun, the cold wind, the rain, insect bite, and dirt and dust. Clothes keep us safe from the hot sun, the cold wind, the rain, insect bites, dirt and dust. Okay. Next, what did we learn? We wear cotton clothes in summer. When do we wear cotton clothes? We wear cotton clothes in summer. Why we wear cotton clothes in summer? Because cotton clothes keeps us cool. It keeps us cool. It protects us from the hot sun. So we wear cotton clothes. Okay, children, these are some cotton clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. When do we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes in winter. Why we wear woolen clothes? Because woolen clothes keep us warm. It protects us from the cold wind, no? So we wear woolen clothes during the winter season. Next, what we learn? We wear a raincoat when we go out in the rain. During the rainy days, what dress we wear? We wear a dress inside, but on the top of that we wear one dress, no? Yes, that's a raincoat, no? To protect us from the rainwater, yes. We wear a raincoat when we go out in the rain. A raincoat keeps us dry. Very good. A raincoat keeps us dry. Look at here, children. These are some rainy dresses. We use it during the rainy days. Now, next. What is a cloth? Comes from plants and animals. How can we get these clothes? We get these clothes from plants and animals. From which plant? From which animal? Shall we learn it? Look at here. We get wool from the sheep. Look at here. What animal is that? Sheep. Very good. From this animal only we get wool. Woolen clothes. From this animal only we can get wool. From that wool we can make woolen clothes. We get wool from the sheep. And then we get, what's it? It's a plant. What plant? We get cotton from the cotton plant. We get cotton from the cotton plant. This is a cotton plant. Okay, children? Now you understand, cloth comes from plants, cotton plants, and animals, sheep. Okay, children? Now, look at here. Apart from that, look at here. What both the children are wearing? They both are wearing the same color dress, no? Yes. In which place you wear the same color dress? You wear the same color dress with your friend? At school. Very good. You all are right. How we call it as? You all wear the same color dress in school, no? How we call it as? We have to call it as uniform. What is it? Uniform. We wear a uniform to school. Not only the school going children, some people, they are in work also wear uniform. Shall we see which people wear uniform for their duties? Look at your children. Some other people also wear a uniform. Some other people also wear a uniform. Look at here. Who is he? He is a doctor. Very good. Who is she? She is a teacher. Yes, you are right. Then who is he? He is a city worker. Who is he? City worker. Very good. Now, who is he? Mechanic. Who is he? Mechanic. Very good. And then who is he? He prepares food, no? Yes, who is he? Chef. Who is he? Chef. Say it once again. The first one. Doctor, teacher, city worker, mechanic, chef. Okay? Say it once again. Repeat it after me. Doctor, teacher, city worker, mechanic, chef. Okay. Now we are going to write two such people. They wear uniform. Name two such people. School going children wear uniform, no? And some other workers also wear uniform. I show you some pictures, no? We are going to write the names of the two people now. Okay? Shall we write now? Yes. Take a pencil, children. We are going to write the answer now. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. One more such people. I am teaching you. Who am I? Who am I? I am your? Yes, you all are telling correct only. I am your teacher. Shall we write the spelling for teacher? T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Very good. Now we are going to do matching. Look at your children. Read and answer. Read and answer. Part A. Draw lines to match. Draw lines to match. Now, number 1. Cotton clothes. Cotton clothes. Number 2. School dress. Number 2. School dress. Number 3. Woolen clothes. Number 3. Woolen clothes. Number 4. Raincoat. Number 4. Raincoat. Shall we read it once again? Number 1. Cotton clothes. Number 2. School dress. Number 3. Woolen clothes. Number 4. Raincoat. Shall we look at the yellow color box? A. What answer is there? Uniform. B. The rain. C. Summer. D. Winter. Read it once again. A. Uniform. B. The rain. C. Summer. D. Winter. Now we are going to do matching. Look at here. They already matched number 1, no? First number 1, cotton plant. Cotton clothes. Cotton clothes, they match it to summer. We wear it during summer season only, no? So match it. Then school dress. How we call it as school dress? How we call it as? School dress, uniform. Very good. School dress, uniform. Then woolen clothes. When do we wear woolen clothes? During which season? Winter. Very good. Match it to winter. And then raincoat. When do we wear raincoat? During the rain time only, no? Yes, rainy time. So match it to the rain. Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Now look at here. Part B. Look at here, children. Part B. Tick the correct pictures. Tick the correct pictures. Number 1. Clothes keep us safe from this. Read it once again. Clothes keep us safe from this. Number A. Part A. What is there? Sun is there. B. What is there? Grapes is there. Okay. Clothes keep us safe from this. Clothes keep us safe from the sun or the grapes? From the sun or the grapes? From the sun. Very good. Number 2. We wear this to keep warm in winter. During the winter season, the climate is so chill, no? Which type of dress keep us very warm? This sweater or this cotton frock? Which one keeps us warm? Yes, very good. You are right. Woolen dresses only, no? So we have to give a tick in A. Now look at the third one. This keeps us dry in the rain. Which one keeps us dry in the rain? Look at the first picture. What picture is it? It's a tie. It keeps us dry from the rain? No. Now look at the B one. What's it? It's a raincoat. Raincoat only helps us to keep us dry, no? Yes. So we got to give a tick in raincoat. Number 4. We get wool from this animal. From which animal we get wool? What's the first animal? From the sheep or from the tiger? From which animal we get wool? Very good. You all are correct. From the sheep only we get wool. Now, shall we give a tick in the correct answers? Take a pencil now. Number 1, what answer we find out? Clothes keep us safe from this. Sun or grapes? Sun. Give a tick. We wear this to keep warm in winter. Sweater or frock? Sweater. So we got to give a tick. This keeps us dry in the rain. Tie or raincoat? Raincoat. Very good. We get wool from this animal. Sheep or tiger? Sheep. Very good. Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Now part C. Part C. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Number 1. Name 2 things that clothes keep us safe from. Name 2 things that clothes keep us safe from. Here they already give the answer. Half of the answer is here. Okay, you have to write the remaining answers. I teach you now 2 things. From 2 things we can get cloth. What are the two things? Do you remember that? From wool and cotton plant. Very good. Cotton plant. Plant. It's a plant and sheep is a animal. From plants and animals. Clothes keep us. Sorry children. Name 2 things that clothes keep us safe from. Part C. Answer the questions. Name 2 things that clothes keep us safe from. Clothes keep us safe from the hot sun and the rain. The hot sun and the rain. Number 2. Where do we get cloth from? We get cloth from plants and animals. We get cloth from plants and animals. Now, number 3. What do you wear to school? I wear uniform to school. What do you wear to school? I wear uniform to school. Shall we write the answer now, children? Clothes keep us safe from the hot sun. The hot sun and the rain. Where do we get cloth from? We get cloth from plants and animals. Plants, plants, and animals, animals. Okay, children? Now, what do you wear to school? I wear uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. T-O-2. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Very good. Now, shall we pass on to the next part? Now we are going to do part D. Part D. Think and answer. Think and answer. It is a hot day. It is a hot day. What will Tia wear? What will Tia wear? Tick the correct picture. It's very hot. What shall we wear? What shall we wear? If it is very hot, what dress we wear? We wear a raincoat, or we wear a sweater, or we wear a cotton dress. Which one we use during the hot day? Yes, you are right. Your answer is right. We wear a cotton dress. So we got to give a tick in cotton frock. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now look at here. Look at your children. Do and learn. Do and learn. Now part E. Activity. Write the correct numbers in the box. Choose from the tree. Look at the tree. Number 1, skirt. S-K-I-R-T, skirt. Number 2, T-S-H-I-R-T, shirt. T-shirt. Number 3, S-O-C-K-S, socks. Very good. Number 4, P-A-N-T-S, pants. Number 1, skirt. Number 2, T-shirt. Number 3, socks. Number 4, pants. Now we are going to write number. Okay. Now look at here. One girl is here. One uncle is here. Auntie is there. Grandma, grandpa, and one boy is here. No? Yes. Now what this girl wear? It's a which one? Skirt, T-shirt, socks, or pants? It's a skirt. Very good. So we got to give number 1 for this. And then number 2, what this uncle is wearing? He is wearing a pant, T-shirt, or socks. Which one they ask? Pant. Very good. Pant is number 4. So we got to write number 4 here. And then this, look at here. Look at here. Here also one box. Yes. What is this? What grandpa is wearing in his foot? Yes, he wear a sock. Socks is number 3. So we got to write number 3. And then this boy, look at the boy. What this boy is wearing? He is wearing a T-shirt. Very good. T-shirt what number? Number 2. So we got to write number 2. Shall we write the answer now? Number, look at the girl. skirt she is wearing. So we got to write number 1 in this box. Uncle is wearing pant. That is number 4. So we got to write number 4. And look at this. Grandpa is wearing socks. So we got to write number 3. And the boy is wearing t-shirt. So we got to write number 2. Yes, we complete this. Shall we pass on to the next one? Write the missing words. Part F. Write the missing words. Number 1. We get cloth from plants and animals. They gave the answer, no? Yes, we get cloth from plants and animals. Now, we get dash from the cotton plant. We get dash from the cotton plant. Cotton, very good. We get cotton from the cotton plant. And cotton clothes keep us cool or warm? Cool, very good. Cotton clothes keep us cool. So we wear them in summer. Very good. Then we get dash from the sheep. Wool, very good. We get wool from the sheep. Woolen clothes keep us warm. We wear them in which season we wear it? Winter. Very good. Shall we write the answer now? Yes. We get dash from the cotton plant. We get cotton. Write the spelling C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. Very good. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Cotton clothes keep us cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. Very good. We get dash from the sheep. Wool. Very good. W-O-O-L. Wool. Woolen clothes keep us warm. We wear them in winter. Very good. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Okay. Shall we pass on to the next one, children? Yes. Now look at the last one. G. Part G. Life skill. Tick what you will wear first. Tick what you will wear first. Which one we have to wear? Belt or pant? Which one we have to wear first? We have to wear the belt. Afterwards we have to wear the pant? No. Which one we have to wear first? We have to wear a pant. Then only we can wear a belt. No. So we have to give a tick in pant. Now look at here. Shoe is here. Socks is here. Which one we have to wear first? Socks or shoe? Socks. So we have to give a tick in socks. Shall we do it? Take your pencil. First what we have to wear? We have to wear a pant. So give a tick in pant. Here shoe or socks? Socks. So give a tick in this. Okay. Now we completed the book exercise. Now today's homework, children, complete the page number 16, 17 and 18 in the lesson 2, the clothes we wear, and post it to me. I hope you all enjoyed this class, children. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.